Hey y'all, we're doing the solutions for the challenges in simple assignment and incrementation operators. If we go to the first challenge, it asks us what's the value of y after the following code executes. Um, we can go ahead and put this into our code editor, and I'm going to use the print statement, although we haven't necessarily been introduced to this just yet. I can use it to sort of see the value of y as my code is executing on each step. I've saved that into a file, and I can run that file just by doing this. And I can see, right, first I print y, and y is equal to 8 after the first assignment. The second one, this y modulo equals 3, right? This is the same as y equals to y modulo 3, right? These two statements on line 3 and 4 are logically equivalent. This is just shorthand for it. But 8 modulo 3, that's remainder division. 3 goes into 8 two times, and the remainder is 2. So at this point, y is equal to 2. We can see that's what's printed. And last, again, this is equal, the same as y equals y to the second power, right? So with y being 2 at this point, 2 to the second power is assigned to the variable y. We can see that's 4. And of course, we can come over here and enter 4, and that's correct. We have something really similar, just with addition going on here, using the plus equals. Remember, this is the same as x equals x plus 2. X is at 10. It's incremented by 2, putting it at 12. And lo and behold, that is the correct solution. Right? And we're continuing on with this type of operation. We start with x equals 2. We're using the double asterisk or the exponent equals. So we're saying x equals x to the third. And x is equal to 2 at this point. 2 to the third is indeed 8. And if we put in an 8 here, we should get the correct solution. And again, we're doing the modulo equals on this next one. 5 modulo 2 is equal to 1. 2 goes into 5 two times, and there's a remainder of 1. So our modulo division or remainder division has a solution of 1. And lastly, this one tells us to check what type of data we are expecting. In this case, we are saying first x is equal to 1.5, then x is equal to 3. And when we see that x is equal to 3 here, 3 will instantiate as an integer, so I can check the type of x. I can say that's going to be an int that comes back, and I do get the correct solution.